Hey beautiful people, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is me, Shubhangi. So a friend of mine was requesting me for a very long time to do a blue smoky eye look. So today I brought you this beautiful glam blue smoky eye look with this cute hairstyle. So I have dedicated this look to her. And yeah, I also have that shout out surprise for you at the very end of this video. So stick with me till the end. With that said, let's get started. To prime my face today, I'm gonna use this Patanjali Saundarya Aloe Vera Gel. Now I'm gonna color correct my face using T.Y.A Generation 2 Contour Cream Series palette. And I'm gonna pick this orange shade with my finger. Now I'm gonna apply this Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer in the shade 25 medium, only over the areas where I have color corrected. Next for foundation, I'm gonna use this Lakmé 925 Primer+Matte Perfect Cover Foundation in the shade W320 Warm Caramel. Now I'm gonna use this Lakmé Absolute White Intense Stick Concealer in the shade 03 Golden Medium, and I'm gonna use it only under my eyes for now. I'll be doing the rest of the face later. Now I'm gonna use this M.A.C High Definition Ultra Fine Matte Translucent Powder to set my concealer. Now I'm gonna also set my foundation with the rest of the powder. Now let's move on to the eyes. First of all, I'm gonna brush my brows with a spoolie. To fill in my brows today, I'm gonna use this Music Flower Longwear Gel Liner in the shade brown. To define my eyebrows, I'm gonna use this Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer in the shade 04 Medium Beige. I've already done the eye makeup of my left eye using these two palettes. Woo! This is the London Girl IGOODCO Sound of Music eyeshadow palette, which you have already seen in my previous videos. But today I have also used this brand new eyeshadow palette. This is the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde eyeshadow palette. Woo! Darkness calling And now let me give you a close look of my eye look. And now let's move on to the right eye. And I have already primed my eye using the same Lakmé concealer. So first of all, from the Mercury Retrograde palette, I'm taking a very little amount of this shade called Karma in a fluffy blending brush and focusing it right into my crease. I know that it's looking like it doesn't have much pigmentation, but that's because I've taken a very little amount just to create a referral line to start with. Next, I'm taking this shade called Gemini from the London Girl Sound of Music palette in a fluffy flat brush and tapping it right into my lid. Continue tapping it until you get the desired pigmentation. Next, I'm taking this shade called LCED out in the fluffy blending brush to create depth to the crease. Now I'm taking this shade called Angel in the fluffy blending brush and blending out the harsh lines. Moving on to the lower lash line, I'm taking Gemini again in the fluffy flat brush and placing it right on my lower lash line. I've made the mistake of dragging the color too far. I'm really sorry guys, but I didn't wanna, hide my mistakes from you guys. Just to let you know that we do make mistakes, but yeah, I'll fix it, and yeah, let's continue with the video. Next, I've taken Angel in the fluffy blending brush and blending out the edges of Gemini. Lastly, from the Huda Beauty palette, I'm taking this super gorgeous shade called Mercury, and just look at the color guys, it's so breathtaking. And I'm just putting it on my lid, and just look what a stunning vibe it's giving to the eye look. It's so stunning, it's just wow. In the meantime, my seat has been taken.
Oh no! Hey!
This is something that cat moms generally face. Typical dress of a cat mom. Now I'm gonna bronze my face using Oriflame Giordani Gold Bronzing Pulse in the shade Dark Bronze. Now I'm gonna use this Miss Rose Blush Glow Kit number 02. I'm gonna pick these two shades.
I used to breathe just to keep us alive. Now all I can see is we're drifting apart. I can't believe how it all turned out.
Now I'm gonna use the same Lakmé stick concealer to brighten up my face, and I'm gonna apply it only on the high points of my face like bridge, forehead, chin, and over my upper lip. Using the same Mars translucent powder, I'm setting my concealer. favorite highlighter number 02. Now I'm gonna use this M.A.C black eye pencil in my waterline. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes.
Like I'm afraid to love. No one can see me now. When the night is falling, I feel the darkness calling. Like I'm afraid to love. No one can see me now.
To coat my lashes, today I'm gonna use this Nykaa Super Sizer Voluminizing Mascara. So I popped on some falsies and I've already lined my lips, and now I'm gonna fill in my lips using this Huda Beauty Liquid Mini Matte Lipstick in the shade Medusa. Now I'm gonna fix my full face makeup using Kiss Beauty Aloe Fresh Makeup Fix Spray. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, then don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Tuesday, so hit the ding bell icon so that you never miss an update. Make sure to follow me and my sister on Instagram and do like my Facebook page. Links are in the description box. Oh, wait. I haven't yet forgot about the shout out surprise. So what you need to do is go to my Facebook page, like and follow my page, and in the most recent post of my Facebook page, comment down below what kind of makeup look or makeup hack or anything related to makeup would you like to see in my next video. And don't forget to mention your YouTube name. And in the comment box of this video, make sure to mention your Facebook handle so that I can know that you are ready for the shout out. I'm gonna choose 2 random people for the shout out. So, what are you waiting for? Just go and follow and get ready for the shout out. So that's it for today. See you guys in my next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, and don't forget that you are beautiful. Love you all. Bye bye.